Alright guys, girls, this is for you homemakers that like to do stuff by yourself and you don't know how easy it is to get it done. So I'm going to show you. Right now, as you can see the shavings, I'm over here with this little pick, taking out the old caulking. Put this down. Just going to run it over here. I already pretty much took all the caulking off. It was like a white caulking around here. You see this is brown countertop and a silver aluminum sink, and they put white caulking. It doesn't match. So anyway, it was breaking up. To do this caulking, you don't have to take the sink off or anything like that, so don't let them tell you you gotta take the sink out. That's ridiculous. Only someone that's willing to, that wants to charge you more, would say something like that. So after you get all the old caulking off, what I'm gonna use is clear caulking. So you don't have to see any caulking at all. And of course, since we're dealing with water, you want to get the 100% silicone tube, and you don't really need that much. This tube right here is like 2.8 ounce tube. That's all you need, because you're just going to do a thin bead of caulking around this sink to seal it. Of course, you need the silicone because of the water. Alright, so we take this top off and get yourself a little scissor and just cut the tip off a little bit. Well, this scissor is not going to do it. Try a bigger scissor. Alright, so cut the tip off. This is basically how much of a hole, not that big. And we're going to start. So most people will put it on there and smooth it out with their finger. I don't subscribe to that notion. I'm going to do this job one time and one time only, to show you how easy it can be done. Alright, so I'm going to start from the back. Alright, I had to stop it for a second. This tube requires you to puncture the inside so you can get it going. So there, I stuck it in there. Now let's do it. You want to go slow, because you're going to do this just one time. And you kind of like don't want to stop. You want to keep putting the pressure on the tube, pushing it out in a simple bead. And even though it's clear silicone, you're going to see it at first, but once it dries, you won't see it. Of course, when do you know that you need to re-caulk your kitchen sink? Well, if you see water in the bottom of your kitchen cabinet, and if your two sink hoses are not leaking, and you're like scratching your head, where's this water coming from? It could possibly be the caulking that was put on is starting to give away in certain parts under your sink. So I'm still over here. Doing this. This job is almost done. You see how slow I'm going? Coming back from the back up to the front. One simple bead, keep getting pressure on the tube to push it out. And that's it. All right, you're done. That's it. You did it yourself. You didn't have to call Joel the plumber and have him charge you I don't know how much money. Now, I didn't take off the caulking in the back because I don't even see any. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some in the back just in case, because when you're washing the dishes, the water tends to fly everywhere sometimes. Like I said, this is clear. When it dries, you won't see it. That's it. I'm done. Looks like I'm gonna get dinner tonight. All right, take it easy, everybody. You got any questions, don't hesitate to ask.